Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply enable streamer mode in League of Legends. So before you do this, you have to navigate through the client of League of Legends, so you cannot go ahead and edit this out if you are inside an actual game. So you want to navigate through the client. In here, you want to select the gear icon, which is going to be the main settings for League of Legends, on which this will then open up, and you just want to select the general setting, scroll down, and under we have the streamer mode options. So basically in here, you want to customize your streamer mode the way you want to. So if you want to hide your name from anyone, you could just click on the second option. If you want to hide identifying info from everyone, simply select this. And if you want to hide everything, just select all of the streamer modes right here. Click done. And basically from there, you are basically good to go. If you navigate through draft pick, in here we can then see, or we could basically see that our name is completely hidden. But before this applies, you actually have to restart your League of Legends first. And basically from there, you're good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.